Hey, tell me what y'all do when you get done working in the kitchen and in the garden, and it's 1 o'clock in the morning. Your husband's been asleep since 10 p.m., but you are just wide awake. Come here, baby. Straight. Come. Come lay down. Good boy. He wanted to snuggle with Mama. I know. I need to be in bed. I gotta be up at 8. It's 1. It's 1:05. Here I am, eating tomatoes out of the garden. I don't think this is supposed to happen, but it is. It's happening. I'm gonna make sure this thing is up where it's supposed to be. Yeah, I mean, it is because my eyes are where they're supposed to be, so I guess it's all good. We do 10 minutes of this, 10 minutes of the blue, 10 minutes of the yellow, so 30 minutes altogether, like four times a week, probably. Eating tomatoes. I hope y'all are enjoying this. It's my life. It's my poor husband's life, because I wake him up most of the time. Bless him. But when he gets up at 5:30, for absolutely no reason, he will wake me up. So it's a win-win, right? We just do it to each other. Radishes. Out of the garden. They're so good. This is a turkey purple. Out of the garden. I'm gonna have to wash this thing. Anyway, my poor hair, y'all. Bless it. I got a perm. Was it a perm? It was a perm. Like, I didn't have one of these in the 80s or 90s. This is my first, like, kinky perm. Like, but I'm learning to deal with it. It's okay. And I like it most of the time. Sometimes I get up and I'm like, what have I done? And how many years is it going to take to get rid of this? Because it's going to be a lot. It's pretty much here to stay. Pretty sure my head is burnt from the root down. So I will have this, but it's okay. Well, let's deal with it. Anyway, I hope you're having a good night. Love y'all.